Hi boys and girls, it's science time and we're checking in with our plants today. So today I have my bean seed journal and my flower seed journal, a pencil, and some crayons. And of course my plants. All right, come on over and let's check in and see what's happening here. So the last time I checked in on my flower seed journal, it was day 11. And that was on Monday. And today is Wednesday, so it goes Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday. So we go 11, then 12, then 13. So today is day 13 since we planted these. All right, let's check out our flowers and see what's happening. Notice how these leaves are getting a little bit bigger. So these are the seed leaves, remember, and every plant after a seed grows gets 2 smooth seed leaves. But these are what the flower leaves are going to look like when they get bigger, okay? And so you can draw those a little bit bigger than last time. Last time when I drew them, they were teeny tiny. You could hardly see them. This time they're a little bit bigger. They're standing up a little bit pointier. So you can draw those on your illustration. You can measure and mark it on here, and then you can write your sentences. For the sake of measuring, in case you don't have your plants with you at home, let's check in and see. I'm going to measure my tallest one today and see. It goes up to here on my pencil. So I'm going to lay my pencil down. I'm going to start at the beginning of the ruler and lay it down. Woo, that one goes to 7.5. So I'm going to color that in. If I look back last time, it only went to 6. Okay, so this time it went to 7.5. So they're getting a little bit taller, as well as those leaves growing. So then you can draw your picture, you can color it, and you can write the changes you've seen. Remember to use capital letter at the beginning and punctuation at the end. Then we're gonna check in with our beans. Now remember, it's the same thing. So last time it was day 11 and now it's 2 more days. So today it's day 13. And the date's up here, so that will help you too. All right, as we look at our bean plant, now these seed leaves are really dead. See how they're brown and they're all shriveled up? And these are big bean leaves. That's what the rest of the leaves will look like. But if you look in the middle here, it looks like something else is starting to grow. Now, is that going to be another leaf? Is that going to be a little flower to grow beans? I'm not really sure. We'll have to wait and see. But I think on our picture, it'll be important to draw that. So make sure you draw that on your illustration, okay? And notice how it's leaning over. That's because this plant is getting too big for this cup. So if I want this plant to really grow and be healthy, I'm going to need to plant it in the ground where it can have more soil to hold it up and the roots can grow deeper and stronger, because roots are what hold a plant up. Notice how my plant is growing to the side. It is not happy in my cup. It wants a bigger place to grow. So we're going to write some sentences about that. I want you to think about what has changed. The seed leaves have shriveled up. This extra part is growing, and we'll have to discover what that's going to be. And the leaves, I think, are a little bit bigger too, and it's leaning to the side. Okay, so all those things could be written in sentences. Now you're going to check in with your plants one more time this week on Friday. That'll be your last day of first grade. So make sure you do that and finish up your journal, color your pictures, write your sentences, do your best first grade writing, because guess what? Next week, you're going to be a second grader. Even though school won't start next week, you'll still be a second grader. So nice job, boys and girls. Have fun doing your science.